Hello, you're welcome to this tutorial, and today I'm going to be giving you 4 secret tips and tricks in affiliate marketing. By the end of this video, you should be able to be making sales no matter the situation you are when it comes to affiliate marketing. Tips and tricks is meant for those people who are into the business already. Mind you, it's not for those who have not started. So if you have not started affiliate marketing before, stick to this video also, because number one tips and trick is also meant for you. And if you have started before and you are not making sales, you have gotten frustrated, maybe you are at the point of giving up, don't give up, because after watching this video, especially the last tip I'm going to give you, you are definitely going to be making sales in your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche. What I do is that I give out free tutorial on latest money making business, online businesses you can do with your mobile phone. So I also offer paid courses where you get my personal support when it comes to cartoon animation, video editing, and Facebook, Instagram advertisement. So subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you always be the first person to get my video when I drop it on YouTube. So let's get started. Tip number one is that you should understand that affiliate marketing is the easiest business online. So this tip is meant for everybody, both the people that have not started and those who are already into affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing is the easiest business is that you can start affiliate marketing today, and when you have the right resources and training, you start making your sales tomorrow. I have not seen any business that is as easier as that. Okay, in Expertnia, I had made 2 sales within just 2 days because I've been doing other digital marketing before. Say let me try affiliate marketing out, and I made 2 sales in Expertnia affiliate platform. I saw the product called the most popular product there, which is the 72 IG is Baton Your Motor. So affiliate marketing is the easiest business to cash out. You don't have to actually buy the product. You don't have to actually create the product yourself. I've created a lot of courses online, which I believe if you are watching this, maybe you might be one of my students taking one of my course, or you just land on my channel. But I know what it takes to package a product. Before you package a product, do the stuff, upload it before you start making sales. It's quite difficult at the beginning, right? So it takes time. But with affiliate marketing, the sales copy have been written, the product is there, everything is there. Your own is just to take this and promote it organically, or you promote it with paid ads. And when you get a sale, you make money. So there's no any business model out there as easy as affiliate marketing. This is a general note that everybody should know, and that's a tip number one. The tricks now, which are people who are into affiliate marketing business. No, tip number two is that you should understand affiliate marketing is a game of number. You understand? It's a game of number. So a lot of people have had read so many sales copy before buying affiliate marketing that it is the easiest business. Yes, it is. It is the easiest business to cash out online, but at the beginning you need a lot of effort. And what will make your effort to be profitable is when you have a large audience. Okay, a large audience. So it's a game of number. So you don't expect that you post organically, you are promoting your affiliate marketing business with just organically. I'm not saying it's not good, it's good, but organically it requires a lot of effort. Organically means you are not running ads, you are just posting. Okay, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, you post it in one group like that. You are authorized to put in your Facebook page, in your Instagram feed and reels and all those are organic promotion of a product, of your affiliate product. So now, if you depend organically, organic traffic is not as massive as paid traffic. So me, I'm the fan of paid traffic. You use Facebook, Instagram ad, get more people, okay? Because affiliate marketing, if you understand the model, is that it's a game of number. You might have 100 people that will come to you chatting about you. They want to start affiliate marketing. When you tell them the cost to buy to start affiliate marketing, they might not buy that product. Some people might be interested in the what is it called, in e-commerce, and you are promoting e-commerce product in Expertnia, for example, and you give that person the solution to his problem, which is the affiliate link to e-commerce product, link to Espana. The person might not buy. Maybe he might say he don't have money. So we only say, okay, people are not buying. No, it's because you are having little people, maybe 100 people. What about if you have 1,000 people chatting you in a day? Do you know how many sales you make from that? Let's say in 100 people, you make 2 sales. How many sales do you think you will make when you have 1,000 people coming to chat with you about the product you advertise online, the affiliate product you advertise online? So affiliate marketing is a game of number. If you want to scale faster without much work, without getting frustrated, you start running paid ads, spend money like 5K a day to run advert. You will see people coming. Okay, you will see people coming, and then you must have a sales when you have those people coming. That is tip number one, which is a game of numbers. So you need massive number to have a massive sales in affiliate marketing. Use money for promotion, you will make the money back times 10. That is just the fact. The number two is a business that needs a very hot product. Okay, so if you want to make sales, you want to make money with affiliate marketing, maybe you're affiliated with Netflix, you are affiliated with Expartner or any other platform. Okay, so you should start with a product that people want. What is a product that people want? You should research, what do people want? People have problem of making money online. What is the easiest way to make money online for those people? So if it's about, you discover that a lot of people have skills, and they don't know how to monetize their skill, go and pick a product in Expertnia that talk about how to monetize your skill, so that when people come to you, say, okay, you have already have these skills, why don't you monetize it? I will teach you how to monetize this skill. So people will come to you like that, and you run advert on how to monetize your skill. When people say, how do I monetize my skill, you give them the link, so they'll go and buy that product. So you do your research. So if you have found out that most people already have skills, then teach them how to monetize the skill. You don't have to create this product. You don't have to teach anybody. That is why it is affiliate marketing. It's easy, right? You just get the link for teaching people how to monetize, make money from the skills they already have. You pick the product from Expedia, they buy it, and you make your profit. So hot product matter. If you discover that what people need most is the hot product at that time. So if it's e-commerce, a lot of people want to be buying from Lagos and be selling, want to import. Go and pick a product of mini importation or e-commerce from Expedia and give it to people. So you are giving them, you are providing a solution to them. You are giving them solution. So, and you don't have this product. The product have been written. The sales copy have been written. Your own is that when you run this paid ad, as I suggested, it's a game of number. You want to get great number, you give them the link in your WhatsApp or in your website, and they will click and go to the the affiliate product page, which is Expedia, to buy, and you earn your commission. The tip number four. So tip number four is that affiliate marketing is about closing skills. Okay. See, I asked some people why they complain they are not making money with affiliate marketing, and we are told affiliate marketing is the easiest business. Yes, it is. It remains the easiest business because you're not using your money. You are not taking any risks. You are not even doing any sales copy. You are not even packaging anything. It has been done. Yes, it is actually the easiest business. But some people complain still that they are not making money from it. Do you know the reason why? The simple reason why you are not making money from it is that I find that when I ask these people, why are you not making money? They say people come to them, but people are not buying. If basic come to you, you run Facebook or Instagram ads or YouTube ad, and people come to your inbox to chat you, and they are not buying, or people go to your sales funnel and they are not buying, they are not clicking to buy, it's simply because it's not that everybody don't have money to buy. It's because they are not convinced. And why are they not convinced? It's simply because your copy, you are not convincing enough. So that's why people need conviction online, especially Nigerians. They are doubting, okay? And it's not their fault. People are doubting whether it's genuine. So you need to bring them closer to you. So that's why even though you have a sales funnel, I recommend when you have a sales funnel, there should be a link that they should talk to you on WhatsApp. When they come to WhatsApp now, you should be able to close them. So it's a game of closing. Affiliate marketing is a game of closing. You should find a way to close them. You should have this sales skill. Okay, so which is what you need to learn. Go and learn how to sell to Nigeria by Akin Alabi. read that book. It will help you a lot when it comes to closing skills. Okay, so the last but not the least, and which is the most important, is who you are and what audience you have. Who you are means, how do you present? Why should I trust you? Who you are means, why should I trust you? Why should I trust you that this thing you are telling me that will make me money, it is real? What do you have to show for it that is real? So a lot of people are not making money with affiliate marketing because you have not established anything that will show people who you are. Is it really true? So you should not be giving people to the chance, the doubt to even say, is this person truthful or not? If people are not buying, it should be is because they don't have money, not because is this true. And how do you do that? How do you build who you are that you build a great audience, guy? If you are just trying to make money by just being salesy, you just want people to buy, it won't happen. Especially to Nigeria, it won't happen. So that is why I said this is very important. Let me tell you the fact. The people you bought your affiliate product from, if you bought from me, I don't know if you bought your affiliate product from me, what makes you buy from me? Or what makes you buy from other people and they are making money and you are not making it? What is the difference? The simple difference is that they present themselves, they have massive audience. Who they are is known by everybody without doubt. And how do you achieve that? You too. Go and build a channel. Build a network. A channel, build an audience base. How do you build an audience base? How do you build a channel? How do you build a community? The easiest way is on YouTube. The easiest way is on Instagram. The easiest way is on TikTok. Let me say Instagram is a bit saturated, but YouTube is never saturated. TikTok is there. I've not started TikTok, but I'm on YouTube. So take one at a time. Pick YouTube so that your content will be there. People will come and see your content, what you have been doing when it comes to affiliate market. They will know, this guy have been talking about affiliate marketing for long. They are seeing your face, your visual. You are real to them. So sometimes I don't say people, how I do my own marketing, affiliate marketing stuff. I don't even tell people to come and buy. I just see people, I've watched your video on affiliate marketing. I want to start affiliate marketing, this and that. I saw your recommendation. I'll say, okay, take the link. So that's what you should do. You should be visible. Build a channel where you'll be talking to people that they are not even here. They have not met you. They will come and meet you and they will tell you that they want to buy. You don't have to be serious. When you take this whole affiliate marketing on top of your head, you just want to make sales today, it won't happen. You build who you are, build audience, build community, build visibility. So with this, you will definitely make a lot of money. So if, as I've said before, stick to these 5 tips I've given to you. The number one is that affiliate marketing, you should know, is the easiest business. The number two, you should know, it's a game of number. Use traffic, paid traffic to get a lot of audience that will buy. The number three, you should know the product, hot product matters. Don't be selling one product. Look at what people, if you want to be building, if you want people you know, the solution to people's problem is about monetizing their skill. Pick monetizing skill. Stop doing follow. It's not only 72 IG that is there to sell. Do e-commerce, sell the product you have done research. So it's a game of a hot product, okay? The number four is that affiliate marketing is a game of closing. You must learn how to close people on WhatsApp. You must learn how to talk to people to convince them to buy, okay? And the number the number five, which is the last for today, but not the least, is that you should who you are. People should have visibility who you are, okay? Build a channel, start talking about that particular how to monetize skill if it's like the product you want to be promoting. If you want to be promoting an e-commerce product, start talking about e-commerce in your channel. Be giving tips and tips so that people will see your visibility, they will trust you, and they will just come and buy for you smoothly, okay? So that is how it works. And also be able to help people. That is what I do in my channel. I help people and create free tutorial. So stick to my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Let's grow together. We're all growing, right? So give me a like so that other people will see this video on YouTube. And also, I've done a lot of tutorial. I can't mention it. Video editing, Facebook ads, so many other things, affiliate marketing. If you are just watching me or you just met my channel, go to my click on the description. You see a lot of links, or click on my name, which is opportunities niche. There you see a lot of video I've done. So please give me a thumb up and like this video. Thank you and God bless you.